In today's video, we are going to show you how to safely download and install the FIREFOX APK on your Android device. Let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to open your browser on your Android phone and type in FIREFOX APK download. Now, here, you can simply go to a trusted source such as the Mozilla's official website, like this one, or go to a reputable APK site like APK Mirror, or in my case, my favorite is the FireFox for Android. I want you to click on it. Now, here's the thing. Avoid random websites and only download APKs from well-known trusted sources to keep your device safe. Now, once you are on the site, for example, this one, download the latest FireFox APK compatible with your device. I'm just going to click on it and scroll down until you find the download button, which is going to be here. Okay, it'll take a little while depending on your internet connection, and click the download button. All right. Now, at this point, Android may give you like a warning to install unknown apps. Okay, so all I have to do, since this is a reputable site, click the download anyway. And of course, all I have to do is super simple. At this point, this is the permission that lets you install apps outside of the Play Store. I want you to click the install button and wait for it, okay? Now, it may take a few seconds for the installation to complete. And now you have successfully downloaded and installed FireFox APK on Android safely and securely. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.